In this video, I'm going to show you how to put wallpaper from Pinterest. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works if you are on your computer or your phone, doesn't matter, and if you are on your iPhone or Android. First, you need to open Pinterest and log to your account. Then, you will click on the first option and you will find the image that you want to put as a wallpaper. You can also click on the second option and search for the image. Okay, so I click on this one and I need to blur the screen to not have copyright. But you just need to click on these three dots, click download the image, and you will download the image into your smartphone. Now you just need to put the wallpaper. So on Android, you just need to come on to your gallery, click on the image, click at the top right corner on these three dots, and click on the second option set as wallpaper. Then you need to select if you want to put a wallpaper to set as a wallpaper on home screen, lock screen, or home and lock screens. Okay, and that's it. You put a wallpaper from Pinterest on your phone. If you are on iPhone, you need to find the option to use a wallpaper with an image from your camera roll. I hope I helped you how to put wallpaper from Pinterest. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.